Okay, this is the 100-foot cable coming out of the system. And obviously on the 55-inch, we have excellent coverage on all the cameras. It's plugged into the back. I'm going to unplug it. And now on the front screen, we don't have signal. So I'm going to switch it down here to the 43-inch, which is powered up. And I'm going to take it, and it is on HDMI 1. So I'm going to go in the back, and I'm going to lift it up. And plug this in the top one. All right, we're plugged in. And now, whoops, unplug it from the power. Okay. Technical difficulties. Plugged in there. Because I was stretching it. Okay. And we're plugged back in. So now we're plugged in on this one for the power. But this is just to prove that we are getting excellent signal out of the one TV and nothing out of this one. Come on. There we go. This one up here is a Hisense. I think that one's the 55. And this one here is the 43. And this is the second 43. The first one we had this same difficulty. Nothing, no inputs were getting signal on the on any of the connections. Okay, so here it comes up. Let's go to, okay, there it comes up on home. And obviously we're getting good coverage. It's got Amazon and everything. So we go over here to inputs. Click on inputs. Go down to HDMI 1. And it says you can switch with whatever, but anyway, no signal detected. Same cable, over 100 feet. We're getting great signal on the other TV. The two shorter cables, nothing. Okay, I'm gonna just to prove a point, unplugging it from switch system input 1, and I'm just gonna plug it into system input 3. One moment. Okay, plugged it in there to system 3. Lay it back down. Don't want to unplug the cable coming up there. Now I'll just change this from system 1. Input select. See, it automatically detected and it switched by itself to system input 3, but it's getting nothing. There's my point. I didn't even have to switch it to 3. It came up already. So it's sensing signal, but this TV, just like the other one, are both manufactured defects. I can't fix this.